Hi everyone, and welcome to today's meditation, the Self-Compassion Break. How often do we take a break from our judging, analyzing, thinking mind in order to offer ourselves a little self-compassion, a little kindness? For a lot of us, it's easier to feel loving and accepting and compassionate thoughts toward others than it is to offer this same kindness to ourselves. Today's practice will help us to bring that feeling of compassion and love and kindness back to ourselves. Because as we all know, we are much better able to be there for the ones we love when we are feeling filled up with love and compassion ourselves. You can use this practice any time of the day or night, whenever you feel the need for some compassion and some kindness. Let's get started. Let's begin by taking a moment to settle your body into a comfortable position. Feeling relaxed and aware. You can close your eyes or look downward to limit visual distractions. Dropping the shoulders, loosening the jaw, relaxing the belly. Today we'll practice self-compassion, starting with a full breath in and a long, slow breath out, inviting a sense of ease into the body. Bringing awareness to the legs and your feet, feeling more grounded. I invite you to think of a situation now that may be a difficult situation for you. Maybe you're feeling a little stressed or worried about something. Perhaps there's tension in one of your relationships. This practice is only for a few minutes, so choose something that isn't overwhelmingly difficult. Bring this challenging situation into your mind and just think about it for a moment. Think about what happened, or think about what you fear might happen. What are some of the emotions that you're feeling about this situation? And now that you're holding this difficulty in your mind, I invite you to consider 3 things. First, simply acknowledge that this is a difficult situation. Find language that works for you to label what's happening. Perhaps it's a really tough situation. Maybe I feel a little afraid about this. Just bringing mindful awareness to what's happening right now. Next, acknowledge that difficulty is a part of life. It's something that you've experienced before, and everyone around you has experienced before. Reminding yourself of our common humanity. Difficulty is a part of everyone's experience. And like everything else, it too will shift. Finally, I invite you to say, "May I be kind to myself in this moment." You can say this out loud or silently in your mind. Just repeating, "May I be kind to myself in this moment." May I be kind to myself in this moment. Acknowledging that no matter how hard the situation is, you can always be kind to yourself. Using any language you like that supports a sense of kindness. Perhaps choosing the wording that you would offer a friend who might be going through something similar. I am here for you. It's going to be okay. You are loved. I love you. Again, offering yourself a sense of kindness, words of kindness, as you hold this difficult situation in your mind. Say to yourself, "I am here for you. It's going to be okay. You are loved. I love you." And if you like, rest your hand on your heart, offering kindness to yourself. Feeling your heart with your hand. Just taking a moment to receive that kindness. Just letting it come into your body, into your mind. Feeling the kindness in your body. Remembering to breathe in and to breathe out. Breathing in and breathing out. Offering a sense of compassion to yourself and to others. Wishing ourselves a sense of kindness through difficulty. And then letting go of the practice and noticing how your body feels right now. Allowing any sensations to be just as they are. Allowing yourself to be just as you are in this moment. And if your eyes were closed, you may wish to gently open them now as we come back to our present surroundings. How are you feeling now? Can you feel the sense of kindness that you gave yourself? Can you feel more compassion for yourself in this moment? This is a practice that you can use any time of the day or night, any time you need a little extra kindness and compassion. Thank you for joining us for today's mindfulness meditation, the Self-Compassion Break. I'm Freeth from MeTimeMeditations.com, and I look forward to seeing you for the next meditation. In the meantime, have a beautiful day and a beautiful week. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.